Okay, so lots lined up here as always. How should you position yourself in the last hour with these flat markets? That's a question. Mitessh is with us to answer exactly that. Mitessh, hi, afternoon. What would you do now?
Afternoon, Prashant. In fact, we've kind of pruned down our long positions purely because of the fact that on the hourly and the 2 hourly charts, there is some loss of momentum. While the market has been sideways, typically, I think, we've not seen in the last few weeks that the hourly indicator should start dipping, which has happened, which means that this consolidation could either go slightly longer than what we anticipated in the than what we anticipated a couple of days back, or we might actually see a correction of profit booking that kind of a pullback also, which could see the index head towards 18,250, 200 zone. So we've taken some profits off on the long side, now trading with slightly cautious bias on the index, and unless until we see the beyond 18,450, 460 levels, I will not be aggressively long on the markets for the time being and wait for the dip to enter. Having said that, I have a buy and a sell call. The PSU banking space continues to outperform, and Union Bank is the stock which has given a breakout in the last 2 hours. So that's a buy. Keep a stop below 67.5 here and look for targets of around 75. And Dixon is a sell with a stop at about 44.60 for targets of around 4,300.
Mitessh, just want to check the chart of Info Edge. It had a good month, but suddenly it's come in for some selling. That one, in fact, was doing pretty well actually post its numbers. I recall the stock was up close to around 4-5% or even on the